Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I will be Googling myself. We have no idea how this goes. Okay. C-O-R-P-P-I-N-E. And I will be doing this once a month to see how big my channel is growing. Yeah, once a month I will be doing this. Once a month. Clipping time. Okay, videos. Images. That's gross. News. Oh. Okay. Let's look up Clipping Time YouTube. See if anything comes up. Okay, we're looking up Clipping Time YouTube. What is that? Clipping hour time. Of course. Okay. What about from Clipping Time YouTube? Let's see. What? Okay. Well, clearly Googling myself doesn't work. Okay, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.